Hey, greetings from Texas. Okay, today we're going to take a look at the StarKnightMT Polaris storage box. Now this is a 24-liter box made out of high quality, I guess it's ABS plastic. Now they sent this to me to review and to do a video. In exchange, I get to keep this. So I'm gonna show you how it comes, and it's a real simple thing and a great addition to your Polaris UTV or ATV. I will have a discount code. I don't get any commission, but they did give me a discount code. You could use it for any of their products for 12% off. I will have, that will appear in the video, which is KratzMC. Also have a link to the product and a link to their website in the video description box. If you're like me, I use my UTV almost every day. So I've just been carrying a little auxiliary tool bag with me, but now I could put the tool bag in here. I also keep a hard hat in here, gloves, WD-40, whatever you're going to need them for. I mean, you could, with this UTV, I could probably put about 6 of these things in the bed. But anyway, let's take a look at the StarKnightMT 24-liter storage box. I did open the box, but I left it so you can see kind of how it's packaged. This is how it came to me. Overall, it looks like typical industry commercial plastic materials. Now it has these fingers which will fit into these holes which are found in the Polaris UTVs. There's their logo. So let's look and see what we got. Got a nice latch. Decals. There's instructions. There's a plug, little padlock, and a tether for the padlock, so you can lock it up and then tether the lock to your UTV. So looking inside, now let's see the instructions. Okay, so with it you get this plug. Now the instructions show that you can just cut this center plug here, insert this plug to secure it to your bed. So let's just see how it fits. Okay, so I'm going to stick mine here by the cap. And off the get-go, that's pretty steady. So I don't think, I'm not doing any off-road racing, so I don't think I need to really plug this down. But it does have the instructions here on doing it if you need to. Otherwise, you could kind of just use this expansion plug. You just shove it in the hole here and you tighten it up. It'll expand out. I think I'm just going to use this as a tie down. And for me, that's just perfect. So the padlock's set to 0, and they recommend as an anti-theft cable, but if somebody really wants to get into it, I probably won't use it just because my wrench is pretty secure. There is a rubber seal around here to help keep water out. I have another storage box for my old ATV. It doesn't have a latch, which is as good as this one, and it gets rained on all the time. It doesn't have as good a seal as this. but it keeps the rain out, so I imagine that this will work just fine. It's a pretty simple product. There's not much more to see. Kind of give you a look how it fits in the bed. We are going to test the element protection of the storage box. Here in Texas, we have a lot of dust, but I'm going to use Quickcrete. It's really powdery. And we're going to see if any dust gets in there. Now that should have simulated at least a week's worth of Texas dust. Let's see if anything got inside. Okay, nothing got past the seal. All right, so no dust got inside. There is some back here, but it didn't get past where this seal is. So let's check for rain. All right, no rain got, or no water got into the storage compartment. So that is water resistant. That's just dripping down from the edge, but nothing got past that seal. All right, that's a look at the StarKnightMT's storage box for Polaris UTVs. I think it's a good deal. Down in the description box, I'll have the retail price along with any links, product links, and discount codes if they're going to send me one. So if you have any comments or questions, if you have had a good or bad experience with their products, just leave a comment down below. As usual, I appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.